Good morning students, welcome to BSc 1 Zoology class. So in my previous video we discussed the general characteristics of phylum Protozoa. Now the next aspect of phylum Protozoa is classification. So classification of phylum Protozoa according to Honig work 1964. The phylum Protozoa has been divided into 4 subphyla. How many subphyla? 4 subphyla such as Sarcomastophora, Sporozoa, Nidospora and Coleophora. So like that there are 4 subphyla under phylum Protozoa. Okay, first subphylum Sarcomastophora has 3 superclasses. It has been divided into 3 superclasses. You see here, superclass 1 Mastophora, superclass 2 Opalinata, superclass 3 Sarcodina. So these are the superclasses of subphylum Sarcomastophora of phylum Protozoa. So Mastophora, Opalinata, Sarcodina are the superclasses that come under subphylum Sarcomastophora. Okay. So Mastophora superclass again has 2 classes. It has been divided into 2 classes such as Phytomastophora and Zoomastophora. So example for Phytomastophora are Euglena wallbox. They come under Phytomastophora class of superclass Mastophora, subphylum Sarcomastophora, phylum Protozoa. Then Zoomastophora, example Trypanosoma lesmania. So they come under class Zoomastophora, superclass Mastophora, subphylum Sarcomastophora, phylum Protozoa. Now let us discuss about what are the general characteristics of Sarcomastophora subphylum Sarcomastophora. So first subphylum of phylum Protozoa. So Sarcomastophora, right? So these animals have locomotor structures such as pseudopodia or flagella. Locomotory organelles means locomotion, movement from one place to another place in search of food or mates or their requirements. They have to move from place to place. For their movement, structures are required. So these structures are either pseudopodia or flagella. So pseudopodia are present in amoeba. You know it. Amoeba has pseudopodia. Pseudopodia are temporary, temporary locomotor structures. They are developed by the movement of cytoplasm. Pseudopodia are usually present in amoeba. Very good example for the presence of pseudopodia in protozoa is amoeba. Then flagella may also be present in the animals that come under subphylum Sarcomastophora. Euglena has flagellum. Flagellum has locomotory organelle. Yes. So here subphylum Sarcomastophora has protozoans which possess locomotor structures either pseudopodia or flagella. Then nucleus is of single type. We already discussed when we were talking about general characteristics of phylum Protozoa. Phylum Protozoa exhibits two types of nuclei: monomorphic, dimorphic. Monomorphic, dimorphic. Monomorphic means only one form. Dimorphic, two forms. Here, under circumested for a subphylum, nucleus is only one type. Monomorphic, single type. Right? No dimorphic. Only one type of nucleus is present. Then, the general characteristics of superclass 1, Mastigophora. Mastigophora. Right? So, they are commonly called flagellates. Mastigophorans are commonly referred as flagellates because they have flagella as their locomotory structure. Flagellates, therefore they are called flagellates. If cilia are present, they are known as ciliates. Ciliates. So these are flagellates. So commonly called flagellates. Locomotory organelle is flagellum. Locomotory organelle is flagellum here. Body covered by pellicle. Yes, I told you when we were discussing general characteristics of phylum Protozoa. So many of the protozoans are naked. There are certain protozoans which are covered by pellicle, tough, thin layer present to protect the animalcule is pellicle, or shells may be present. Shells may be present. So here pellicle is present. Pellicle is a thin, elastic, tough covering present just below the plasma membrane, which gives protection to the animal. So pellicle is present, right? Binary fission is longitudinal. Binary fission. Here reproduction occurs usually by asexual reproduction, asexual method. In that, binary fission takes place. That binary fission is longitudinal. Longitudinal. There are different types of binary fissions: longitudinal binary fission, transverse binary fission, irregular binary fission, oblique binary fission, like that, depending upon plane of fission. Binary fissions are of different types. Here, the binary fission is longitudinal. Longitudinally along the axis of the animal, fission takes place. This is called longitudinal binary fission. Then, mostly free living. Mastigophorans are mostly free living. Most of them are free living. They are not parasites. Free living. They lead free life, independent life. There are certain examples which lead parasitic life. Right? So that's about the general characteristics of superclass Mastigophora. Next, class 1. See, subphylum Mastigophora is completed, superclass is completed, then class 1, Phytomastigophora, general characteristics. Phytomastigophora. Okay? Phyto refers to plant. Mastigophora, presence of flagellum for their locomotion or capturing food organisms. Phytomastigophora, they are plant-like. So generally possess chromatophores. Yes, this is very important. Chromatophores. You know what are chromatophores? So chromatophores are essential for the preparation of food. So plants, plants are green in color because of what? Because of the presence of chromatids. Right? Chromatophores. So here chromatophores are present for the synthesis of food in presence of light. So generally they possess chromatophores. There are only 1 or 2 flagella. Number of flagella. Not so many flagella present. Either 1 or 2 flagella present. In case of Euglena, how many flagella present? Actually, there are 2 flagella. One is larger, longer, and another is very short. Okay, nucleus is vesicular. Vesicular means large sized. It is large sized, filled with large amount of nucleoplasm. Larger in size, and spherical in shape. Nucleus is vesicular. So these are the few general characteristics of class Phytobrastiphora. So example for Phytobrastiphora are Euglena, Volvox, Noctiluca. Now we can study these characteristics with Euglena example Euglena. Okay, so I will draw the diagram of Euglena. So class Phytobrastiphora, example Euglena. I have drawn the diagram of Euglena here. This is Euglena viridis. Euglena viridis. So Euglena is a freshwater form, right? It is a solitary. It doesn't live in a colony. Solitary feature. Similarly, it is present. It is usually present in freshwater body. Then the what we call shape of the Euglena. It is spiral shape. Anterior is blunt. Middle part is wider. Posterior part is pointed. Posterior end is pointed. Okay. So it has flagella. Two flagella are there. One is very long, another is small. And this is cytopharynx, and this is reservoir. Here contractile vacuole is present. Large contractile vacuole. These are accessory contractile vacuole. Then, so these are the chromatophores. Chromatophores are essential for preparing food, right? See, the Euglena is covered by, protected by pellicle. Pellicle is there. It's not naked. It's covered by pellicle. These are, striations. These striations are made by myonemes. So this flagella is used for locomotion as well as for capturing food organisms. Euglena performs two types of nutrition. Here the mode of nutrition is mixotrophic. Mixotrophic means it performs two types of nutrition. Phytozoic and the saprozoic or autotrophic. Phytozoic or saprozoic. Autotrophic. Phytozoic or autotrophic. Or saprozoic. Right? So autotrophic means what? It can prepare its own food in presence of light with the help of chromatophores. Saprozoic, in absence of light, the Euglena gets food in the form of liquid from the surrounding medium where the organisms are dead. So that dead organic material is taken into the body through general body surface, right, or through the cytosol in liquid form, saprozoic. So because of the presence of this two type of nutrition, the type of nutrition in Euglena is mixotrophic. Okay. So next, the nucleus is larger, vesicular nucleus is present, and the reproduction. What type of reproduction occurs? It reproduces asexually by binary fission. Binary fission takes place. Which type of binary fission? Longitudinal binary fission. Which type of binary fission? the classification of protozoa up to class Mastiflora. Class Mastiflora. In class Mastiflora, Phytomastiflora, one example we studied. Which example we studied? Euglena viridis. Euglena, U means two. Euglena, eye. It has eye spot here. Eye spot, which is sensitive to light. U refers to, in Greek language, U refers to true, Euglena refers to eye. Euglena, true or eye possessing protozoa, is known as Euglena viridis. In Latin language, viridis means green color. It is green in color. Why it is green color? It is having chromatophores. Therefore, it is green in color. So with this, we have completed a classification of protozoa up to class Phytomastiflora. And in the next class, we can study the next class, Mastiflora, and the remaining part of the classification. Okay? Thank you.